What is going on, guys? So today we're back, and today I'm actually hanging out with a buddy of mine. His name's Eric. I don't think you guys have ever met him before, but he drives a 2008 Honda Civic Si, and today we're actually going to be taking his car to get an exhaust installed. So as you guys can see, we have the exhaust in the back. It's an HKS exhaust. It's a pretty nice upgrade. Do you know if you make any horsepower off of it?
I think probably like 3 or 4, maybe 5.
Yeah.
But expecting low numbers, nothing too high.
But as far as the exhaust goes, I mean, pretty much you want to get a better sound out of it, right?
Better sound, better flow.
Yeah. So hopefully it turns out pretty good. We've done a little bit of work on his car before. We've installed a cold air intake. We've done a full sound system upgrade. So there's a couple of things we've done, but he's never been on the channel before, so I thought it'd be a good first experience so you guys can sort of see how the exhaust turns out. But other than that, we're on our way to his mechanic's place to go get it installed. When we get there, we'll show you a little bit more. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned.
Tell me how I'll do it, babe. 'Cause I just wanna make you feel what I do about you. So just tell me how I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only
Dude, I think mine's sensitive, to be honest. I think I have a 4 in mine. Exhaust.
Really?
Yeah. That came out quick. Like 6 volts.
You and I run away now.
A little bit of screech. You have a dent in
You
it.
and I be on our way. Take this love
Wait, it's almost there.
Yeah, you got it. Doctors say you worked on your car. Dude, that looks pretty nice. What are they, just nuts and bolts? Did that take like 20 minutes? That was fast. Someone coming in?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, we're good.
Back it up.
Yeah. Alrighty, guys. So we just finished installing the exhaust. Overall, it was a really easy install. It was literally a bolt-on, so super easy to do. But having a lift made it so much easier. So what we're gonna do right now is actually let you hear how it sounds. We're gonna do a couple of flybys. We're gonna find a couple of random streets and hopefully we get some good footage of what the car sounds like with the exhaust on. It's pretty quiet from what I thought it would be. Like, it's really quiet, huh?
Hella quiet.
Yeah, it's hella quiet. But when he steps on it, you can definitely hear it. So
you can definitely tell, yeah.
Oh, there you go. There's your dad right there.
That's my deal.
Your deal.
Ready to talk to me.
But yeah, so overall it sounds really nice. Like I said, we're just gonna find a quick street. Probably go back down there. This is our street we're about to Do a little quick flyby on. Welcome to Santa Ana. Go for it. Dude, that sounds nice. Hell yeah.
One of my few favorite straightaways.
Ooh, that shit. Oh yeah, we also installed the radio in his car too. That was fun.
The backup camera.
And the backup camera. So there's a couple things we've done. The stickers.
See that? That's my pride and joy.
That's your pride and joy?
My pride and joy.
That sticker right there?
Yes, sir.
I like this shifter though.
I bought a new one.
Shifter. Did you really?
Yeah.
The one you texted me?
Yeah, the bamboo one?
Yeah. No cop, no stop?
No cop, no stop.
No cop, no stop.
For now.
Alrighty guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that video. As you can see, like I said, we installed the exhaust. Well, technically we took it somewhere to get installed. But overall, sounds really good. Quiet, idle, and then when you step on it, along with the cold air intake, sounds really, really good. So overall, I'm pretty hyped with the way it turned down. Are you hyped with it, Eric?
Oh yeah, way hype.
Way hyped.
Way hype.
I know.
Gonna be doing pulls every day.
What's the next thing you're gonna do?
Tune?
Tune?
Tune.
Ooh.
Get the power to match it.
Tune or a body kit?
Why not both?
I don't know, we'll have to see.
Shoot for both.
Want to do a quick cold start?
Quick cold start for the boys?
For the boys. Ooh. Alright.
Very satisfactory.
Dude, that sounds nice.
Very. Step up.
Step up. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and hopefully we'll be making more videos in the future.
Oh yeah, we are.
If you guys haven't already, make sure to follow me on Instagram and follow this guy on Instagram as well. What's your username?
Oh, at Erock Yanis.
I'll link everything down
Yeah.
below. Other than that, thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Record.